In this video, how to enable XMP on MSI Motherboards BIOS. In Windows, you can check the memory frequency from the Task Manager. I have RAM with a rated speed of 2666 MHz. However, in the Task Manager, you can see it's running at only 2133 MHz. To get the highest frequency supported by the RAM, I need to enable XMP. Let's restart the computer. Press the Delete key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup page. Enabling XMP on MSI BIOS is quite simple. In the BIOS Easy mode, click on this button to enable XMP. If you're using an AMD motherboard, you will see XMP instead of XMP for Intel. To view more details, click on the Memory tab. Here, you'll see the current running frequency. If your RAM supports XMP, you'll also see the available XMP profiles. Alternatively, XMP can be enabled in the Advanced mode of the BIOS setup page. Go to the Overclocking settings. Under the DRAM settings, you'll see the Extreme Memory Profile option. Enable this option to activate XMP. Save the changes and restart to the BIOS again. As you can see, the memory is now running at the highest supported speed. In Advanced mode, you can also check the SPD, serial presence detect, of the memory. This displays the maximum bandwidth of the memory when XMP is enabled. Back in Windows, from the Task Manager, the RAM should now be running at the higher speed. In some cases, you might see the message XMP not supported and cannot enable XMP. The root cause of this issue is that the memory does not support XMP. To confirm, go to the Memory tab for more details. As you can see, there are no XMP profiles available for this RAM. In Advanced mode, when checking the SPD information, the XMP support details will also be missing. In Windows, you can check if your RAM supports XMP by using the CPU Z. Let's download the latest portable version of the app, then run it on your computer. Go to the SPD tab. Under the Timings table, you can see if your RAM supports for XMP. In some cases, after enabling the XMP or DOCP, you cannot access the Windows or BIOS setup page. In this case, you need to reset the BIOS by clearing CMOS. Open your PC case and find the CMOS battery holder on the motherboard. Remove the battery by pulling out the tabs on the side of the CMOS battery. Wait for a few minutes, then put the CMOS battery back in. In some motherboards, the BIOS battery is wired. To reset the BIOS, remove the CMOS battery 2-pin cable from the motherboard. Wait for at least 30 seconds, then connect the CMOS battery 2-pin cable back. Plug in the power cord and power on the PC. This is an example on a gigabyte motherboard. After the PC is turned on, There will be a prompt that the BIOS settings have been reset. Follow the prompts and to enter the BIOS setup. As you can see, by default, the XMP is disabled. You can load the default's optimized settings then boot into your Windows normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.